अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, क्या हाल है। उम्मीद है आप सब लोग खैरियत से होंगे। लाए हम आज आपके लिए एक नई वीडियो जो कि बहुत ही अमेजिंग और इंटरेस्टिंग है। सो लेट वी स्टार्ट आवर टॉपिक। टुडे आवर टॉपिक इज प्राइवेसी एंड डाटा प्रोटेक्शन रेगुलेशंस। Privacy and data protections regulations refer to the set of laws and guidelines designed to protect individuals' personal information and ensure their privacy rights are maintained in the digital age. These regulations govern how organizations collect, store, process, and share personal data. Their key objects are the safeguard personal information, uphold individual privacy, and ensure that data is handled transparently and securely. General Data Protection Regulations (GDPR) Region European Union (EU) Scope applies to all EU members states and any organizations handling the data of EU cities, regardless of the organization location. Requires explicit consent for data collections, provide individuals with the right to access, correct, and delete their data. Mandates data breaches notifications within 72 hours. California Consumer Privacy Act grants consumer the right to know what personal data is being collected and why, allows consumers to opt out of the sale of their personal data, provides the right to request deletion of personal data, requires business to disclose data collections practices and consumer rights. Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act (HIPAA) ensure the confidentiality and security of healthcare information, mandates standards for electronic health transactions, requires patient consent for data sharing with specific privacy protections, covers health information handled by healthcare providers, plans and clearinghouses. Core principles: consent. Individual must provide clear informed consent for their data to the collected and processed. Transparency. Organization must be transparent about their data collections and processing activities. Data minimizations. Only data necessary for the intended purpose should be collected. चलते हम अपने नेक्स्ट पेज की तरफ। नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास सिक्योरिटी। Adequate security measures must be in place to protect personal data from authorized access for breaches. Accountability. Organization must take responsibility for data protections and demonstrate compliance with regulations. Right of individuals. Individuals have rights regarding their personal data, including access, rectifications, deletion, and the right to object to processing. Global impact. Implement robust data protection policies and procedures, conducting regular data protection impact assessments, training employees on data protection principles. Non-compliance can lead to severe financial penalties, reputational damage, and loss of consumer trust. Consequently, organization globally prioritize privacy and data protections to align with these regulations and ensure the security and privacy of personal data. Thank you. तो गाइस ये थी हमारी आज की वीडियो। उम्मीद है आपको पसंद आई होगी। अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो हमारे चैनल को लाइक सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना मत भूलिएगा, ताकि हमारी नई वीडियोस की अपडेट आप तक पहुंचती रहे। हम मिलेंगे अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ, तब तक के लिए खुदा हाफिज़।